Alright, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. And no be some more something still on the matter. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting they be, exactly waiting the people them they talk about. Now, my people, no be small something with the news we be say they reach us. I think say this thing na joko. No be joko talking about this Afenifere people. We be say they can't they go against the Yoruba nation movement. Now millions of Yoruba people don't come outside say like this so then go make sure say then draw the leg of all this Afenifere elders wey be say they no one support Yoruba nation movement. And they don't talk, they can't talk and say if at all you no one support this movement, why you no just shut up your mouth and they hide for one corner? Why can't be say you go can't carry on herself? In fact, they can't carry themselves go meet Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president, say no listen to them. We no want Yoruba nation anything. You know, say I talk am that last one. Say the people don't talk. Say they say Afenifere people. They no be our spoke people. They no be our agbenuso. We no send them message. In fact, we no know them. People don't talk down one or pass. What be say? As it be, so everybody come they talk. Say yes, now so it be. In fact, now everybody come they talk and say this say Afenifere people, whether they like them or not. Yoruba nation must be achieved because as it be so these people now for only their pocket now him then they think and now the people come to talk say Afenifere you people una don disappoint millions of Yoruba people for telling Tinubu who you rejected during election in favor of Obi to restructure Nigeria. Now the Obasi are more reliable than Afenifere who do not want us to be perpetual slaves in the union of a nation called Nigeria. In fact, they want make we be perpetual slave under the Nigerian society, under the country. Now everybody they come outside. In fact, no be joke again. No, my brother, my sister, all the Yoruba people don't come outside now. Say we and the Afenifere we go test a ball shokoto kana. No be small something. Say like this. So say in fact, they go make sure say they follow this people up. Say gonna the days where we say una go they no treat us like say we be children. Gonna the days where we say na go say now they represent us. We know say make una no even try to talk put for this Yoruba nation movement, but in a situation where we say una come dey talk things where we say you know jelly, things where we say you know they favor millions of Yoruba people. The only thing where una dey talk now the things where we say go favor una. The people don't come outside say they no go green. They no go green. Say like this. So this Yoruba nation movement, whether una like them or not, we go achieve them. And the one thing where they pain many people, now be the thing where they say this is Afenifere people. Now when they come outside, they say then they represent Yoruba people. And the thing where can they pain everybody, they say that time where they say Fulani people enter inside the Iwerele, where they enter Ilaro village. Where they enter every corner for Yoruba land, where they disturb all the Yoruba people. Where we say every Yoruba people come they cry outside. These Afenifere people, they no show face, so they no come outside at all to say they want rescue these people. Now only Chief Sunday Igboro now he come outside. We say okay, no, he no go green. So now they say they represent Yoruba people. But if it don't reach time where we say things don't spoil him, now go yeri. If you don't reach time, we say not supposed to come outside, come help the Yoruba people if they inside danger. Na go yeri. But now all of una come dey gbemu sita, una come dey come outside. They say now una be Afenifere. People say make una no call that name again. No, say if una make them verse, then go change your name to Afenifere. You know what that one mean? Meaning una want us for bad thing. Now so na take want us not for good thing because una they say una name una wanting us for good thing. The people say no, this one we say una they do no be say na for good thing at all, na for bad thing. So in fact make una just tọwọ́ ọmọ yín báṣọ or else you no go rọgbọ. Na so the people don come outside, they come dey talk say this Afenifere people make una take una time o. When we need una no come outside. Now we no need una again. In fact, the people don talk am before say these people they no dey represent Yoruba people at all. Say that they no dey represent at all. In fact, somebody come dey talk say ìkànnì àwọn bàbá yẹn ìmọ̀tara nìkan ni gbogbo tó ń ṣe wọ́n. According to what the people dey talking. So all these people them be ika. Now only themselves they know their pocket selfishness of the highest order. The people still they para. I don't even know say the no number of people where they para for these people. They reach millions. Until I can't enter social media, I can't say millions of people say we no go agree, we no go agree. For this Afenifere people, we no go allow them. They must not take over our land. Now so all the people come they talk say we no go agree, say because this thing wey dem dey do now for they want to make the Fulani take over. Because why you go dey talk say the Yoruba nation e no dey important say restructuring na you una want. Who does that? Who does that? Why you go dey talk for us in the first place? The people don come outside come talk say we no know una. We no know una at all. Make una just find una way. Una just be ordinary club meeting people. Why una we come outside? They come fight for talk say una dey fight for millions of people. Where be say them before a nation, a whole nation. You can imagine. The people now don't talk. So yeah, they don't talk. Say make we no insult Agbalagba. That is why all of us will they calm down. But the life well on our day now, Agbalagba wey be say you want to make a small pikin kpai, they no go take am easy with that Agbalagba. Say if una know wetin good for now, make una just quiet on our mouth. Make una no put mouth for this matter again. They say we Afenifere day wey be say about 29,000 Yorubas kpai. Wetin dem do now they talk of restructuring. The same restructuring wey be say una don ask for since how many years ago till now una get am. You see, una get am. Una no get am now. Una no get am. Now the people don't talk about say Daru help Yoruba nation, Yoruba land is a reality, and the only solution na him be Yoruba nation. Make una no let anybody deceive una. Make una no let anybody come dey tell una waiting e no fit happen. Yes, so somebody don't say this in fact my brother, my sister, waiting people they talk. If I start to dey read all this thing out, you go know say people they really they para. In fact, somebody say this Afenifere people, them be destroyer. Them be destroyer. As them be so, say na lies, everything we be say, then they do. Now for only them pocket. Now for only them pocket. Afenifere, you have disappointed millions of Yoruba people for telling Tinubu who you rejected during election in favor of Obi. You can imagine. Now everybody don't come out and say like this. These people make we no even send them. Yes. Somebody they say Afenifere can't support Yoruba nation because of money. The money wey be say then they get inside the one Nigeria. That is why they are always against the Yoruba nation from day one. You see, shey this kind of thing supposed to dey happen because of money. Money wey be say you go chop, you go finish it. This same money, e go come, e go go. Why you can't they put to that kind of thing for head? This thing wey be say una dey do, e no jelly at all. Make una stop am or else all these Yoruba people go come outside. In fact, they come ask you one question wey be say that question me I like am. That question be say all these Afenifere people, when una say una dey fight for us, shey una don come ask us wetin we want. Why una dey fight for waiting? Una ask any of us say okay, my children wetin una want so that I will go fight for now. Una no ask any question like that. The only thing wey una do be say una just come outside because of una selfish reason. Una just start to dey misbehave, dey do anyhow. Una no ask any question. say okay, wetin una want, so that the people go tell una wetin dem want. But for because of wetin una wan chop, my brother, my sister, we don't know all these things. That is why everybody dey shout, no going back. No going back unto this Yoruba nation, because this leadership is too much. Somebody even talk something wey be say e dey very important, wey be say when I hear that thing, the thing shock me. The thing be say, okay, now all of us we sit down, we say okay, na our own brother, na him dey the city, no wahala. Now if he use 4 years, okay, maybe God help him, he finish the 4 years, later he come finish the 8 years. Okay, after the 8 years, my brother, my sister, where Yoruba go come dey after that time? Now know the thing wey be say the person wey wan come there, now know the thing wey be say he wan take Yoruba eye see. You see am? Now all these things we supposed to dey think, how we go take go our separate ways before these people come back again, come dey suffer us. They go say after all, when una brother dey there, he make am bad for una, he no work for una, so now una don miss the opportunity. Now we dey there back, my brother, my sister. Make all of us shine our eyes. So this matter wey I dey talk, so no be small matter. Some people feel they say say 8 years still far. Who tell you? Okay, if you dey say 8 years far, what about the generation wey be say then they come? Wetin you wan make them come face? My brother, my sister, this thing, come let me know. Yes, so because as I dey think the thing, fear come dey catch me. Say, hey, na true. Hey, what are our children? Okay, our children where would they born now? Waiting they won't come face. Okay, pikin wey be say they just born. Let's say they born on this month. Before you go reach 30 years, how many be 8 years? We won't finish. Then when the pikin go come reach 10 years, which kind of life you want make the pikin come dey live? I beg go make a love everybody wake up onto this level. Everybody don't talk am say these people make una no let us change una name to Afenifere bio. Make una dey hear now, because Igboro ko reni people wey be say they don't kpai now, where dem dey, that one don't go. So the ones wey dey alive, then they fight for their rights. Una come dey talk say no, make them no talk. Who does that? All right, my people. Now the thing wey be say they reach us now be this way. I say make I come tell una as the hot and as the bono. Okay, my people, until I come on our way next time, I beg you, if this one now your first time wey be say you dey join us onto this channel, I beg you, make you try your best, make you subscribe, make you share, make you dey like am as the hot. Now so you go come be onto this one until I come on our way next time. I say on a bye for now.